There are three important things in life: time, money, and intelligence. If you don't have one, you'll have to use the other two to get it. You don't have money? Then you need to use your time and intelligence. So here's how to make money with zero budget. Like absolutely zero. You don't need to be a genius. Just useful enough to give others something value. Can you write? Speak other languages? Edit videos? Great. Package that skill. Offer it as a service. Build trust, get reviews and credits. Money follows value, not followers. Leverage people's problems. People always have problems, and problems are opportunities. Find something people complain about and solve it. Examples? Busy people need someone to write captions, edit short videos, or manage their inbox. Small businesses need help filming TikToks or setting up their online store. Students need tutoring or someone to make study notes. You don't need money to do this. Just observation, initiative, and a DM that says, "Hey, I can help you with this. No upfront cost. Just let me prove it." Solve problems, build trust, and get paid. It is simple like that. Remember, money will come once you can solve people's problem. So, in conclusion, if you don't have money, don't complain. You've still got time. You've still got your brain. Use them. Because if you're broke and doing nothing, that's not poverty. That's a choice.